Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Apex English Language. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on a very specific topic, brain drain. What is brain drain? In Hindi, we say Pratibha Playan. If we talk about the definition of this topic, brain drain, that is when intellectuals, talented people, scholars go abroad just for the sake of good salaries and settle over there and provide services to that country only. The situation is called brain drain. According to me, it's not good because all the talented people are going to other country. Why? Opportunities can be created in our country also. This is the responsibility of government. They must provide all the facilities to the talented people like doctors, teachers, scientists and engineers. Under compulsion, they have to go to other country because they are not getting good salaries in their own country. If government takes some remedial measures and they create good atmosphere over here, they create conducive atmosphere over here, they provide all the facilities, so those people will not go to other country. And one more thing, because if they are going there, they are contributing in the development of that country only, because they have already given loss to this country. They have completed their degree in their own country because they have used the skills of professors of the particular field in which they have got degrees. First of all, they have used the skill of the professionals, and after that they are providing service to the other country. So this is double loss, I think. They will contribute in the overall development of that country in which they are providing services right now. They will contribute in the enhancement of the economy of that country. They will contribute in the GDP growth rate of that country. It's not good because everything is available in our country. Yeah, sometimes it happens, like unemployment, growing population, poverty become the stumbling blocks, and government is not able to provide all the facilities. But if we talk about the value of the services of the technocrats and talented people, if we create good atmosphere, if the government provide loan on very nominal rates to those people, they will try their best to establish good firms in their own country. They will try to establish good companies in their own country, and after some days, if we talk about the output, that will be very high, and the developing country will definitely become after some days developed country. If we talk about India, India is a developing country. We got independence in 1947. Even after, even after 73 years of independence, still we are developing country. Why it is so? Because of, I think, some hurdles, as I have already told you: unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, some other problems. If government provide all the good infrastructure, I think the problem will be solved automatically, and talented people will provide service to their own country. So it will be good, because after going there, they have to face some problems also, like they forget the culture, they become the victim of racism, they become the victim of biasness, and they are treated there as bonded labor. Why it is so? It's not good. they must contribute in the development of their own country only, and it depends upon the policies of government. If government formulate some good policies, no one will go to other country, no one will contribute in the development of other country. I hope government will definitely take some remedial measures, and they will try to eradicate poverty, they will try to eradicate corruption, they will try to control population, and intellectual will never go to other country. I hope all the readers or the listeners definitely put their comments after watching my videos in comment box, and definitely it will be good topic for all. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you very much.